To use Fast Pay on DoorDash, you need to have a valid debit card linked to your Dasher account. Fast Pay is a feature that allows you to cash out your earnings instantly for a small fee. First, open the DoorDash app and navigate to the Earnings tab. Here, you will see your current balance and the option to cash out with Fast Pay. To cash out, click on the Cash Out button and select Fast Pay. You will then be asked to confirm the amount you want to cash out and the fee associated with it. The fee for using Fast Pay is 50 cents per transaction, regardless of the amount you cash out. For example, if you cash out $10, you will be charged 50 cents, and you will receive $9.50 in your account. Once you confirm the amount and the fee, the money will be transferred to your debit card instantly. You can use Fast Pay to cash out any amount above $25. As long as you have enough balance in your account. It is essential to note that Fast Pay is only available for U.S. Dashers and is subject to certain terms and conditions. To avoid any issues with Fast Pay, make sure your debit card is valid and has sufficient funds to cover the transaction. Also, ensure that your account is in good standing and you have completed all the required deliveries. In conclusion, using Fast Pay on DoorDash is a straightforward process that allows you to access your earnings instantly. By following these steps and understanding the associated fees, you can make the most out of this feature and enjoy the benefits of being a Dasher.